Thank you, Imran. Um, I'm Abdullah, Green Team. I'm going to talk about plan cost management. We can see here the plan cost management is develop project charter to include project charter and also project management plan, which include project schedule management plan and risk management plan. Enterprise organization. It's enterprise environmental factor or organization process assesses, which all going to expert judgment or data analysis or meeting, going to project management plan. And also here we have plan quality management. We have input and tools and technique and output. From input, we have project charter and project management plan. And number two include requirement management plan and risk management plan and stakeholder engagement plan and scope baseline. Number three, project document, which include also assumption log and requirement documentation and recommended traceability matrix and risk register and stakeholder register and enterprise environmental factor. Here, number five, organization process assessments, tools and technique. As we said, expert judgment, data gathering. We take data gathering a lot of time, benchmarking or brainstorming or interview, data analysis. We can cost benefit analyze or cost of quality, discussion making. We can use multi-criteria discussion analyze or data representation. Here, number five, data representation, which include flowchart or logical data model or matrix diagram or mind mapping. Number six, test and inspection planning. Number seven, meeting. The output of plan quality management is, of course, quality management plan and quality matrix and project management plan update, risk management plan, scope baseline. Number four here, project document update, and which include lesson learned, register, requirement, traceability matrix, risk register, stakeholder register. Here we can see it start from develop project charter, then the project management plan, and all of this is going to here's the uh, tools and technique, and what's going to the plan resource management. What is the plan resource management? Identifying, documenting or project rules, responsibility, and reporting a relationship, as well as creating the staffing management plan. The resource management plan may include three things: identification resources, which is method for identifying and quantifying team and physical resource needed. Acquiring resources, guidance on how to acquire team and physical resource for the project. Roles and responsibility. It is rules. It include four things: rules and authority and responsibility and competence. Rules is the function summed by or assigned to or present into the project. Authority is the right to apply project resource, make discussion, sign approvals, and accept deliverables. Responsibility is the assigned data and work that project team member is the expected to perform. Com- um Competence is the skills and the capacity required to complete assigned activities. Also here, the input is the project charter, project management plan, which includes quality management plan and scope baseline, project document, which include also here project schedule, requirement document, risk register, stakeholder register, enterprise environmental factor, organization process assessed. The tools and techniques, expert judgment, data representation. Here we have hierarchical charts or responsibility assignment matrix or text oriented formats. Number three, organization theory, and number four, meeting. Output from this is resource management plan, team charter, project document updates, which include assumption log and risk register. 10.1 Plan communication management. Plan communication management is important factor projects success, determining the information and communication needs of the project stakeholder, tight linked with enterprise environmental factor and organization influence. BM spent 90% of their time communication. 55 of the communication is variable. The planned communication management input and tools and technique and output is the input is project charter, project management plan, which include resource management plan and stakeholder engagement plan. Number three, project document, which include requirement document, stakeholder register. Number four, enterprise and environmental factor. And number five, organization process assist. Tools and technique. Expert judgment, communication requirement analyze, communication technology, communication models, communication methods. Number six, interpersonal and team skills. In interpersonal and team skills, there is communication styles assessment, political awareness, and cultural awareness. Number seven, data representation. It's stakeholder engagement assessment matrix. And number eight, meeting. The output is communication management plan, project management plan update, stakeholder engagement plan. The project document update is project stakeholder and stakeholder register. 11.1 Plan risk management. The plan risk management is deciding how a breach and plan risk management activity for a project, and also determining which risk might affect the project, and documenting their characteristics. And also here planning for positive and negative risk attitude. Risk, we have here four risk attitude, which is risk averse, which is organization is not comfortable with digesting risk, or risk seeker, organization like to seek risk they see in opportunity. Risk neutral are neutral to risk, the deal with the risk objective. Risk tolerant, very comfortable with the ignoring risk. They didn't care and never pay any attention to a risk until become an issue. Factor determined risk attitude. There is risk ability, It is reward degree of uncertainty or organization is willing to take on, and also here risk tolerance. It's a degree, amount, or volume of the risk that an organization withstand. And here is the risk threshold, amount of the risk that an organization is willing to accept. For the risk, the input is the project charter, project management plan, all components, project document, stakeholder register, enterprise environmental factor, organization process assist. The tools and technique is expert judgment, data analyzing, stakeholder analyze, and meeting. The output is only the risk management plan. Thank you for listening. Abdullah was with you, and we'll see you inshallah next time.